My name is Yamabe. I am studying 8th class.
My name is B.R. Kumar. I am studying in 8th class. We are from JPHS Korai.
My project name is School Bell System.
Introduction. In most school bells are rang manually which can lead to incoincidence and missed time. To overcome this, the smart school bell system automatic the process using an Arduino microcontroller and an RTC module to track accurate real world time. The system automatically activates the bell at prepared programmed time. The system automatically the system automatically the system automatically activates the bell at pre-programmed time stored in the Arduino. Additionally, Bluetooth connectivity allows the school the system automatically activates the bell at pre-programmed times stored in the Arduino. Additionally, Bluetooth connectivity allows the school administrator or teachers to update the counselor or trigger and bell manually from a smartphone using a simple Android app. Android app. The project Android app. This project demonstrates how embedded systems can simply everyday tasks and improve efficiency in educational interaction. Components required: Arduino Uno, RTC DS137, Bluetooth module HC05, LCD display 112C, buzzer, push buttons. Components required: Arduino Uno, RTC module, DC. Components required: Arduino Uno, RTC module DS1307, Bluetooth module HC05, LCD display 12C, buzzer, real module, push buttons, power supply, jumper wire, breadboard, mobile phone with Bluetooth.
Applications, schools and colleges for automatic bell ringing, factories and office.
Let's see the working process.
Applications, schools and colleges for automatic bell ringing, factories and office for shift or break scheduling, temples, public places are for timed alarms, home automation, timing control system. Advantages: full automatic reducing manual laboring, accurate time management with RTC, easy schedule updates through Bluetooth, low cost and simple design, portable and scale, consolation, portable and scalable. Conclusion: the smart school bell system using Arduino, RTC and Bluetooth provides efficient automated solution to manage school schedule accurately. It reduces manual efforts, enhances conclusion. The smart school bell system using Arduino, RTC and Bluetooth provides an efficient automated solution to manage school schedule accurately. It reduces manual effects, ensures punctuality and allows flexibility. Thought Bluetooth based control with future upgrades like lot integration. Conclusion. The smart school bell system using Arduino, RTC and Bluetooth provides an efficient automated solution to manage school schedule accurately. It reduces manual effort, ensures punctuality and allows flexibility. Thought Bluetooth based control with future upgrades like lot integration. Conclusion. The smart school bell system using Android, Arduino, RTC and Bluetooth provides an efficient automated solution to manage school schedule accurately. It reduces manual effort, ensures punctuality and allows flexibility. Thought Bluetooth based control with future upgrades like lot integration. It can become a fully networked time management system suitable. Conclusion. The smart school bell system using Arduino, RTC and Bluetooth provides an efficient automated solution to manage school schedule accurately. It reduces manual effort, ensures punctuality and allows flexibility. Thought Bluetooth based control with future upgrades like lot integration. It can become a fully networked time management system suitable for educational inclusion and workplaces alike.
Thank you all. Thank you all.